Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and today I have a mystery box that I've been waiting for from Italy for so long now. I cannot wait to get into this. It's going to be super fun, so let's get into it. Okay, so let's get right into it. I've got to be very careful whilst opening this. Okay, here we go guys. Finally getting into it. There we go. Okay, so you guys might be able to see this box has HRX on it, and if you don't know, they make some really cool race suits. So this is what this is. It's my custom made in Italy race suit. I cannot wait. Also, very nice bag. So I haven't seen this yet. Just opened the box. Let's have a look. Oh guys, it's looking really good. Looking really good. Here it is. So let's quickly get it on. Okay guys, this feels so cool. I cannot wait to get this and my car next to each other. We've got the breast cancer logo, we've got all the sponsors. It feels absolutely amazing. Okay guys, I'm so excited about this. It feels so nice inside and it just looks really cool. But yeah, I know it's a bit different. We've got 2 videos this week. We've also got me doing my gaming setup because loads of you guys asked that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I cannot wait to get out of the car, and in this we've actually got some drift days coming up very soon. So just keep holding on for a little bit longer and we should be out in the car soon. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.